Hello everyone, we at KIT College of Engineering, Department of Electrical Engineering focuses on the holistic development of our students. In this approach, we go to get our students exposed to different kinds of hands-on training where the students are able to understand the real life issues and address them through their technical concern. Also, the students have got a scope to develop mini projects, project-based learning concepts and mega-level projects. Also, our students are able to develop the research papers contents for the mega-level projects which they are doing or for the any other projects like mini projects and the project-based learning. Going in line with this, we have got a concept which is called as the newsletter Electro-Talk, which was started in the year 2021. With this, we are giving our students a platform to put forward their technical concerns, their technical ideas, and this monthly publication of the Electro-Talk confirms not only the publication to be given by the students, but we, the teachers, also contribute in this to make our students more aware about the developments in the electrical field. So, yes, we can say that we are doing our best at Electrical Department, KIT College of Engineering.